It's like, you jelly, this is my birthday present.
Okay everyone, this is the video you've been waiting for that me telling you about for a while. The gas pistol I made that I previewed in my last video versus my favourite slingshot. I got two targets set up there, some apples, let's see which one makes the biggest damage.
Oh my god!
Hit the tape, I can feel it. Oh, hey, it went straight back in the first hole and punctured it right through the middle. But the slingshot actually went all the way, look, it went all the way through the big fibre board. So it's about as thick as my finger. So, I'm pretty damn sure that if it hit the apple, that wouldn't have made any difference.
Oh my god, that scared the crap out of me! The apple!
Worse.
Whoa!
Oh, damn it. Missed.
Test number 2. It's stuck in the apple!
Got stuck in the apple.
That's cool.
That's pathetic.
Is it?
Where's the slingshot?
Oh my god, that scared the crap out of me!